For today's look, we're going to be recreating a chic, bouncy blowout focusing on a 70s inspired flick with bangs. I'll be using a full pack of Cliphair's seamless clip-in hair extensions in the shade Dark Auburn. Start by brushing and detangling the hair thoroughly before taking any styling balm of your choice and spritzing or applying it evenly onto damp hair. I like to supplement with Cliphair's moisturising silky spray. Once your spray has been applied, take some sectioning clips and begin to blow dry it using medium sections and a large round brush. Now for the application. Take a sectioning brush or pintail comb and begin to section the hair, starting from the nape of the neck and working upwards. I like to back comb the hair at the root to keep your clip-ins more secure, before gently clipping them in piece by piece. Now you're ready to style. Take a medium barrel curling tong and wrap each section of the hair tightly around the tongs, remembering to ensure that you always work away from the face. This is key. Again, around the front I work away from the face and I have sized down on my tong for a tighter movement. I used a set of medium Velcro rollers to make sure I really lock in that movement on the T-zone, which is along the parting and down the hairline. Don't forget the all-important bangs to make sure this has a real 70s vibe to it. Once the hair is cooled, pull out your rollers and give it a good shake and a brush around. Don't be afraid to move this look around to find the best shape. To finish, add a little hairspray for extra hold.